Hi there, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be trying out these hats that I've made as a crocheter. So this, I made this with combination of two colors, and then I used a 4 yarn to add this style to it at the edges. And this one was made by my assistant. It's a mixture of orange and pink. I love this hat so much. It's so simple, and it's just a hat that you can easily wear, with anything to go out for casual events and all. This one, I made this with an 8-ply cotton yarn and a 4 yarn. This hat is super comfy and it's my go-to. Like, I literally wear it with every outfit. This is a granny square hat. I love the way it is very, very simple. For my hat, I usually go for very simple looks because it is an everyday wear for me. This is a mixture of purple and lilac. I kind of made this one too tight, so I don't wear it very often, but I love how simple it is. This one is an all white beauty. I made this with a single crochet moss stitch, and this is the way it is. It's quite tight on the head, but I just like the way it's fitted. It's quite masculine, but I just like wearing it sometimes when I go out because these samples are mine. Haha. This is a mesh hat that I made. I love this set of mesh hats. I made them in 4 different colors. So I love this set of mesh hats. They're super, super comfortable and you can wear it anytime and anywhere. So these are other colors that I made. This is the ombre color. This grayish mixture. I love it. I love the hat so much. And this is the brown, kind of like coffee brown. This is super, super comfortable. So let me know what you think about these mesh hats in particular, because personally I love them. So let me know what you think. I tried something different with this white one and I love the way it came out. It always makes me so excited each time I wear it. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about these mesh hats? Do you think they are cool accessories to own? Here comes another of my favorites. So for this one, I used the front post stitch and it gave it like a 2-in-1 kind of design, so you can actually wear it from the inside out. You can decide any part you want to show and it will still look okay. Personally, I love this part. It's so comfortable to wear, and I made it with my favorite yarn. Can you guess? Yes, exactly. So tell me, what do you think about this hat? Oh yeah, let's get into the ruffles. This is like every other ruffle hat. I made it with 2 colors, but then I gave it like a checkers pattern on the cap of the hat, and then the ruffles I decided to alternate the colors, the 2 colors that I used for the checkered pattern on top. This is the simplest hat that I've ever made, and this is the one I fell in love with the most. This particular one was done by my assistant. I love it so much. I love the way she makes the colors and everything. So this has been my go-to hat like almost every time. In all my videos I usually wear this hat. So I made it in another color, and using my favorite yarn, which is the yarn Atador, I used my favorite yarn to make this. This is light, comfortable, and easy to rock with anything at all. I'll be making more of this. You can see how excited it gets me. So I'll be making more of this hat in different colors. So let me know, which of these hats do you like most? Kindly leave us a comment, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe.